Hello everyone, today we will be looking at the Golang function tutorial. So let's get started. So this is the syntax to declare a function where we start it with func keyword, then we give the function name, then basically parameter with their types, and then type that we want to return. If we don't want to return anything, then we don't give type. So as main function is of type void, so we do not give its return type. Here if you see we have my function which basically returns the addition which is of data type int, and here is a void function. Here we name the return value as the result of type int, and return value with naked return mean that we use the return statement without specifying the variable name. In this case, what is the naked return mean? Here we have mentioned the variable name also that we are going to return. So we have kind of initialized or declared variable name here that we are going to return, and in the code execution we are just populating it with some value, and if we just say return, it will basically automatically return the result value to our main execution code. Multiple return values. Go support multiple return values, which we can specify like parameter by spacing by giving the result name of the return type, then type of the return type, and by separating them with comma. Here we are returning a string and a integer, and how we can access it using by writing two variable with a comma b. If we for some reason do not want to use some of the return values, then we'll use underscore. So let's say we only want the value of b, which is y world, so which is hello world, and not a, which in this case will be 5 plus 5 10. So we'll be just writing underscore comma b. In next video we will taking a look at struct. So till then, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the more good tutorial. Let me know in comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Happy coding. Bye bye.